Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Ensure the in-call volume slider is at least halfway and the device isn't silenced. Next, disconnect Bluetooth and any wired headset so sound routes to the loudspeaker. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb and Low Power Mode are off because they can lower output. You should also restart the call app or the call itself to reset audio routing. These first steps force the system to use the phone's primary speaker and reveal whether software or hardware is the issue. Once basic routing is confirmed, dive into settings to amplify clarity. Enable equalizer presets or accessibility sound amplification and push highs slightly to improve perceived loudness. Then update the OS and call app because driver fixes often restore output. If volume is still low, clear app cache and test with an alternative calling app to isolate software faults. Meanwhile, visually inspect the speaker grill and carefully remove lint or dust. Even a small blockage can cut effective volume dramatically. If volume remains insufficient, use an external Bluetooth speaker or wired headset to finish the call while you pursue repairs. As a final software measure, back up your data and perform a factory reset only if you've exhausted other steps. This resolves deep configuration problems. If a reset fails, seek professional speaker replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: play a known loud audio file or tone. If that's quiet too, you have a hardware failure. If it's loud, the issue is app or network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.